Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on the amazing Google Lens application. Google Lens is an AI-powered image recognition tool. You will have the power of artificial intelligence in your hands and be able to identify objects, texts, and landmarks in a matter of seconds. Moreover, you will be able to perform actions such as copying text, opening links, and much more. First of all, we will learn how to access Google Lens. We will open our Google Play Store and there we will search Google Lens. This application will pop up and you will install it on your Android device and you will open it from here. This is the interface that you will see. In this search tab, here by using Google Lens you can search any query or find information about any product or item. For example, if we scan this remote right here, we will click search button here and it will give you visual matches that will match your scanned product or information. This will help you find identical images that you are scanning for. The next feature is text identification. When you hover over to text feature of this Google Lens application, with Google Lens application you can identify the text anywhere around you and copy it to your clipboard and paste it anywhere in your phone. Just like here, we are going to scan this text from this page. We will click scan and it says that text is found in the image. We will select the text by clicking on it. Here you can see that it has selected the text and given you a Google search result for it. We can copy the text from here or we can listen to it from here.
If the time period of a simple pendulum is 1.99 seconds, find its frequency.
So this is how you will use this text feature to identify any text. After this, we will discuss about the translate feature. We can use this feature to translate any text either handwritten or printed into any language of your choice. For example, let's try to translate this text from English to Urdu language. As you can see, it has translated the given text in real time. You can also use this feature to translate any text from images present in your phone gallery. As you can see, it has translated this image from English to Urdu. Then we will hover over to this shopping section. With Google Lens, it has an option of shopping with which you can find products online by scanning any product or its barcode. It will give you relevant information about the product and from where you can buy it. For example, if we scan this remote again, click the scan button. So it has given you the information that this remote is Xiaomi Mi Box S remote and you can buy it from Draz.pk, and there are other visual matches from other websites, eBay and other e-commerce websites. Google Lens is also helpful in identifying landmarks in your surroundings. You will just have to point at the building and it will give you information or history about it if it's available on the internet. For example, if I just click on this model and click this search button, it will show me the information about Eiffel Tower and you can search about it from here and you can see its visual matches from here. That's it for this comprehensive tutorial on Google Lens. Google Lens is an extremely powerful tool that can help make your life easier and more efficient, from identifying objects and copying text to performing actions such as opening links. Google Lens has got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Give Google Lens a try and see for yourself just how amazing it is.